I got home today. This looks like the Stegadon sand traction boards with the mounting brackets. So I'm gonna get this opened up. I've always wanted some of these. Never had them. I'm gonna see what they see how they function, how they fit, and got the mounting brackets. My goal is to put them on my roof rack, which I have to make sure I can get them set up to where I can still open the garage. But we'll get these things unboxed and take a look at it. This is why I can't have nice things. Luna. All right, here's the traction boards. Good quality, heavy duty. I think they're 10-ton rated. Got to see if I like them. If they do what I think they'll do for me, I'll get another set. Look really good. Then I got the mounting brackets. Come in a nice case, so I'll use the brackets, and then I'm gonna put some other equipment in this case to keep some air compressor stuff good off-road. But looks good. For now, I'm gonna figure out how to mount them up on my rack, and then we'll go from there. All right, so mounting brackets. Basically got 2 plates. Then you've got your pins here that screw down with the easy access twist offs. They just go through whatever hose would work best for you when you mount it. So we're gonna get it up there, see where we wanna put it, and then go from there. Now, just as I was afraid of, based on the height of my garage, I couldn't actually mount them on the side of the roof rack the way I originally wanted to. Plus, I'm getting ready to go with bigger tires, so definitely don't have the clearance. So what I did was mount them on the back of my roof rack. Up here secure, not gonna go anywhere. Brackets on them. I love that they're red. It kind of accentuates the color of my winch and some of the red accessories I have on the outside of it. Look extremely durable, very heavy construction, but they're still lightweight. Like I said, 10-ton rated. Really excited to take these out and use them. Hopefully plan to do that here this weekend. I'm gonna find a place where I can just use them, try them out, so I'll post that video. Definitely check these out, Stegadon. I'll put their website on the comment section of this video. A couple things that I didn't point out. Obviously, it's got carry handles on here if you need it. It's also got them on the front. You can use this to dig with. I don't see how I would be able to break it. Extremely durable. And what I like about them is they're heavy enough, because we know when I'm in the field, as soon as I use them, I'm not going to want to hook them up every time. I'm just going to throw them up here on the roof rack and let them ride. They're not going to blow out and go anywhere. So super excited to get these stuff squared away and put them to use.